you.
Can you do anything else? Can you do the alphabet?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, A, O, B, U, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
That was beautiful. I'm so proud.
Thank you, Mommy.